In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Valorant cannot access store. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your Valorant server status. Go to status.riotgames.com and check your Valorant services are online. If there's an issue, you might have no other option but to wait for Riot to fix it. If that is not the case, make sure that you're using a stable internet connection. Avoid VPNs or proxies at all costs. Also, if that doesn't fix your problem, you can simply go ahead and try to restart your Valorant client, close the Valorant completely, and task in Task Manager and relaunch Riot Client and open Valorant. You can also go ahead and clear cache and temp by simply pressing Windows+R and typing %temp% and deleting all files. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check if you're running your game as an administrator. Always make sure that your VPN is disabled, as I already mentioned, and always check if your date, time, and time zone settings are set to automatic. If none of it works, you have no other option but to uninstall and reinstall the game. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.